Hello and welcome to Rikki's Random Blog. Yes, I've got the big breadboard, so we can actually start moving stuff from the little one to the big one, so I can carry on with this project. We've also decided that in the final project we will not be using this Arduino. We will be using a Nano because it's easier to work with and we haven't got that much room. Unfortunately, I haven't got a Nano yet, so I haven't got an Arduino that's breadboard friendly. So this could be rather annoying to swap over. Right, now let's see if it works. Now that I've swapped everything over, it should do. I hope. Famous last words. Great, I've got an LED working. Not working. I wonder why. But it does do this when you restart it. Actually, just hit the restart button. Turns out, what I'd actually done is the Arduino sketch, if I can get it in view, which I can't. My sketch starts at pin 2. I've got something plugged in pin 1, so everything needs to be moved this way 1. And there we go, all swapped over properly. Time to put the button in and continue programming. Right, I've got the button in the circuit and I've also written the new code. I've made the font a lot bigger so I can actually see it properly. So let's upload it and see what happens. If I've written it right, the LEDs should go off, which they have, and I push the button, they should come on. Which? I know what the problem is. I haven't got a debounce on the bottom, so I keep thinking it's closed. Ooh. Okay, time to put the debounce in. Right, so I've had a look at the debounce stuff. It's really annoying, and I thought, oh, I'll actually see if it works. So I've got the actual Arduino sketch that is the debounce, and I followed all of their settings, except I've changed the button pin to 13. The button pin to 12 because I've already got it set up as pin 12 on this breadboard. I'm having this problem. It's not actually recognising the button. And I've got no idea why it's doing that. I followed all their instructions. I've got the 10k resistor and all the other wires. I've checked it with my meter. I've got it on the ohms range. And this is the switch open. It's got no contact. When you close it, it's just pretty much a straight contact. So there's no problems with the switch. I don't know what's wrong. I'm gonna have to look into this and I'm gonna have to have a look into this and figure out what to do. I'm just about to check the ohms on the LED because it's on the resistor. It should be 10k, but I'll find out in a couple of seconds. Okay, so the resistor I was using is bang on 10k. God knows what's wrong now. I'm gonna have to keep looking into this. Stay tuned for the next update. Right, been doing a bit of poking around, and did anyone else notice the problem? Yeah, I really do feel a bit stupid now. So, yeah, continue on working. So let's just put this in the right hole now, so I don't end up with this problem again. Oh, me, it fell over. Get you in the out. Why does nothing work when you're trying to do it on camera? Oh, I'll do it off camera and come back. Right, I've got it working. Flash, 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 let go, and it stopped. That's working. I didn't need debounce in the end, so I've spent the last 2 hours doing something that I didn't need. So all I've got to do now is, I've got the left hand side and I've got to do the right hand side. But as you know from the last episode, I haven't got enough pins. So what I've got to do is, I've either got to get some shift registers, or I found another chip that I don't know, I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but it will control 16 LEDs. I'm going to look into using that. I'll tell you about that in the next episode, or the next segment, whatever it is. And that will not be tomorrow. It probably won't be the day after. It'll probably be Tuesday, because I'm busy for the next few days. So stay tuned for the next update. Something else I've discovered today, my tripod makes a very good cable stand.